Sugar gliders are fascinating creatures. They are small nocturnal marsupials. These animals are native to Australia, Indonesia, and Papua New Guinea. They get their name from their love of sugary foods. They also have a remarkable ability to glide through the air. Sugar gliders are incredibly adaptable. They thrive in a variety of habitats. These include forests, woodlands, and even suburban gardens. Their ability to glide gives them an advantage in these environments. They can move quickly and easily between trees. This helps them avoid predators and find food. Despite their name, sugar gliders are not actually gliders in the strictest sense. They don't have wings like birds or bats. Instead, they have a special membrane of skin. This membrane stretches from their wrists to their ankles. When they extend their limbs, this membrane acts like a parachute. This allows them to glide impressive distances. The world of a sugar glider is full of wonder. Their unique adaptations, social behavior, and important role in their ecosystems make them a captivating subject of study. In the following sections, we will delve deeper into the secret life of these amazing creatures. Australia is home to a diverse range of sugar glider populations. These populations are spread across the eastern and northern parts of the continent. They inhabit a variety of forested areas. These forests include eucalyptus forests, acacia woodlands, and rainforest pockets. Eucalyptus forests are a particularly important habitat. These forests provide a plentiful source of food. Sugar gliders feed on the sweet sap that these trees produce. They also forage for insects amongst the leaves and bark. The dense foliage of Australian forests provides crucial shelter for sugar gliders. They build their nests in tree hollows lined with leaves and soft materials. These nests provide protection from predators and the elements. They also serve as safe havens for raising their young. The varied landscapes of Australia offer a range of challenges and opportunities for sugar gliders. From the dense canopies of rainforests to the open woodlands, these adaptable creatures have carved out a successful niche for themselves. Beyond the shores of Australia, sugar gliders also thrive on the island of New Guinea. This island, divided between Papua New Guinea and Indonesia, boasts a unique and diverse ecosystem. Here, sugar gliders inhabit a variety of habitats. They range from lowland rainforests to montane forests. The rainforests of New Guinea are some of the most biodiverse on Earth. They provide a rich tapestry of life for sugar gliders to navigate. They share these forests with a staggering array of other creatures. These include tree kangaroos, birds of paradise, and a multitude of insect species. The high-altitude montane forests present a different set of challenges. They are often cooler and wetter than lowland areas. However, sugar gliders have adapted to these conditions. They have thicker fur to cope with the lower temperatures. Their diet also shifts to include more insects and fruits found at higher elevations. The presence of sugar gliders in both Australia and New Guinea highlights their adaptability. They demonstrate a remarkable ability to thrive in a variety of environments. This speaks to their resilience as a species. Sugar gliders are omnivores, which means they have a varied diet. Their diet consists of both plant and animal matter. As their name suggests, they have a particular fondness for sweet foods. They love to feast on the sugary sap of certain trees. They particularly enjoy the sap from eucalyptus and acacia trees. However, their diet is not limited to sweet treats. They also consume a variety of other foods. These include nectar, pollen, fruits, and insects. This diverse diet ensures they receive a balanced intake of nutrients. It allows them to thrive in environments where food sources may fluctuate with the seasons. Their sharp teeth are perfectly adapted for their feeding habits. They use their sharp incisors to create small holes in tree bark. They then use their long tongues to lap up the sweet sap that flows out. Their teeth are also effective at crunching through the exoskeletons of insects, providing a valuable source of protein. The adaptability of the sugar glider's diet is another key to their success. By not being reliant on a single food source, they can survive in a variety of habitats and weather conditions. This makes them a resilient and adaptable species. Section 5. Adaptations for gliding. Sugar gliders possess a remarkable adaptation that sets them apart, the ability to glide. This ability is made possible by a thin membrane of skin called a patagium. This membrane stretches from their wrists to their ankles, forming a wing-like structure when they extend their limbs. When a sugar glider wants to glide, it leaps from a high point, extending its limbs and stretching out its patagium. This membrane catches the air, creating lift and allowing the sugar glider to control its descent. Using its tail as a rudder, it can steer with remarkable precision, landing gracefully on a nearby tree trunk. This gliding ability provides numerous advantages for sugar gliders. It allows them to cover long distances quickly and efficiently, conserving energy that would be expended by climbing up and down trees. This is especially useful for foraging for food and escaping from predators. The evolution of the patagium and the gliding ability it provides is a testament to the power of natural selection. It highlights the incredible ways in which animals adapt to their environments to thrive. Section 6. The social nature of sugar gliders. Sugar gliders are highly social animals. They live in groups called colonies. These colonies can consist of up to 10 individuals. Within these colonies, there is a dominant male and female. These dominant pairs are usually the only ones who breed. Life in a colony is a busy and interactive affair. Sugar gliders communicate with each other through a variety of vocalizations. These include chirps, barks, and hisses. They also use scent marking to communicate with other colonies and establish their territory. Social grooming is an important part of colony life. It helps to maintain hygiene and strengthen social bonds. Sugar gliders will spend considerable amounts of time grooming themselves and each other. This helps to remove parasites and keep their fur clean. Living in a colony provides a number of advantages for sugar gliders. It offers protection from predators. It also allows for cooperative foraging and care for young. The social interactions within a colony are complex and fascinating. They play a vital role in the survival and success of these unique creatures. Section 7. The importance of scent. Scent plays a crucial role in the lives of sugar gliders. These animals have a highly developed sense of smell. They use scent for a variety of purposes. These include communication, navigation, and finding a mate. Sugar gliders have scent glands located on their forehead, chest, and near their genitals. They use these glands to deposit scent marks on their surroundings. These marks convey important information to other sugar gliders. They can indicate an individual's sex, social status, and reproductive status. Scent marking is particularly important for males. Dominant males will regularly scent mark their territory. This serves as a warning to other males to stay away. It also advertises their presence to potential mates. Females also use scent to attract mates and signal their receptivity. The reliance on scent for communication is a fascinating aspect of sugar glider biology. It highlights the importance of olfactory senses in the animal kingdom. Section 8. Threats to sugar gliders. Despite their adaptability, sugar gliders face several threats. These threats primarily stem from human activities. Habitat loss due to deforestation and land clearing for agriculture is a significant concern. As their natural habitat shrinks, sugar gliders are forced into smaller and more fragmented areas. This makes them more vulnerable to predators and reduces their access to food and resources. The pet trade also poses a threat to wild sugar glider populations. While some sugar gliders are bred in captivity, others are captured from the wild to meet the demand for exotic pets. This can have detrimental effects on wild populations as it disrupts social structures and removes individuals from their natural environment. Climate change is an emerging threat to sugar gliders. Rising temperatures and altered rainfall patterns can disrupt the delicate balance of their ecosystems. This can affect the availability of food and water sources, making it more difficult for them to survive. It is crucial that we address these threats to ensure the long-term survival of sugar gliders in the wild. Protecting their habitat, promoting responsible pet ownership, and mitigating the effects of climate change are essential steps in safeguarding these remarkable creatures for future generations. Section 9. The future for sugar gliders. The future of sugar gliders depends on our actions. By understanding the threats they face and taking steps to mitigate them, we can help ensure these fascinating creatures continue to thrive in the wild. Protecting and restoring their natural habitat is paramount. This means supporting sustainable land management practices, reducing deforestation, and creating corridors between fragmented areas to allow for movement and genetic exchange. Public awareness campaigns can play a vital role in educating people about the importance of sugar glider conservation. Responsible pet ownership is also crucial. Choosing to adopt rather than purchase wild-caught sugar gliders can help reduce the demand for the pet trade. Ensuring that captive sugar gliders are kept in appropriate conditions with adequate space, enrichment and veterinary care is essential for their well-being. By working together, we can ensure that sugar gliders continue to enchant us with their aerial acrobatics, social complexities and vital role in their ecosystems for many years to come. Their future rests in our hands, and it is up to us to protect these remarkable creatures and preserve the delicate balance of the natural world.